Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock a chain brake that was removed when it was in the locked position. On some models of chainsaw, the chain brake is built into the side cover rather than into the main body of the saw. On these styles of saws, if the side cover is removed when the chain brake is engaged, you won't be able to reinstall the side cover until the brake has been released. The brake band will be too small to fit over the clutch drum. So I'm going to show you how you can fix that. First thing I'll mention is when you're removing the side cover to replace the chain, it should come off easily. If it ever seems tight and you feel like you need something to pry it off of the saw, that's a good indication that the brake is locked. And you'll need to release it before you remove the cover. But if it's too late and that cover has already been removed, there's two ways you can fix it. The first way, and this will be the most common way that most people will deal with this problem, is to remove the bar and chain. And then lay this on its side with the clutch pointing up. Now I'm going to take the side cover with the locked up brake and place it back onto the saw, aligning the tabs on the chain brake with the slots in the handle. It's important that I get these to align perfectly. Once they're in place, I'll push down firmly on the side cover and then release the brake. You have to be careful when you do this that the tabs align perfectly with the handle. Otherwise, you can wear the slots in the handle and damage it. The other way to release the brake is to modify a scrunch tool into a tool you can use to release it. To do that, place a scrunch over the tabs on the brake and use a Sharpie to mark the location of each of the tabs. Then, using a cutoff wheel on a grinder, you cut out the excess material from the scrunch, so you now have a tool that will engage with the tabs on the brake. And then you can use this to rotate the brake and unlock it. And that's how you can unlock a chain brake that was locked when it was removed from the saw.